Embrace easy single-level living in a community designed for comfort and connection. The open kitchen features quartz counters, stainless appliances, and vaulted living spaces, anchored by a cozy gas fireplace. Retreat to the luxurious primary suite with spa-like bath, spacious shower, and walk-in closet. Enjoy year-round outdoor living on the covered patio, complete with newly installed screening, fully adjustable with remote control, creating an additional living space. Cultivate your dream garden with raised beds and drip irrigation in the fenced backyard. Solar panels for low-cost electricity. Perfect for lock-and-leave convenience in a safe, friendly neighborhood with nearly 3 miles of scenic trails, ponds, and park-like open spaces. It's time to live your dream.